أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear students of 10th class, yesterday we concluded the chapter of political science, that was the political parties. In today's lesson we are going to start a new chapter, that is the outcomes of democracy. Outcome means the result, and democracy means democracy, the government by the people. The government is the people, by the people, and for the people. So dear students, in a democratic setup, every citizen has the rights and the duties. In simple words, we say that when the citizen of a nation enjoys the fundamental rights and the fundamental duties, it is said that there is a democratic setup. When there is democracy in real sense, then the outcomes, the results of democracy become evident, and the prosperity of the nation, the freedom of speech of the nation, the educational rights, and the rights against and the freedom against the exploitation become evident, and people are free in every aspect. When such a situation prevails in a nation, we can say that the state or the country has a strong democratic setup, and we can say the democracy has the positive outcomes. A democratic government is always accountable before the people, before the judiciary, and the people have the power to assess the achievements, to assess the prosperity of the government. Democracy produces an accountable government because the educated and enlightened citizens of the country are concerned that the people have right to choose their representatives. If the government do not work in a proper way, then the people have right to overthrow them or overthrow it. That is why they are accountable to the people. People are also the part and parcel of decision-making processes. We choose our representatives, and representatives take the ideology, take the consciousness of the people into cognizance, and when our representative becomes the legislature, he has to take the steps which are for the favor of his subjects. In democracy, the government is responsible to the people, and parliament. Democratic government generally take care of the needs and opinions of the people. That is why democracy produces a responsive government. Democracy also produces a legitimate government a legitimate government is that in sense that it is elected by the people almost after every 5 years through the process of universal adult franchise. Dear students, franchise means that the citizens or the people who attains the age of 18 are eligible to cast their votes. The party which gets majority makes the government. In this way, it is a legitimate government. In a democratic setup, legislatures are meant to make laws for the subjects, and these laws are the rules which govern the country, which govern the state. No government can take any decision which is against the democratic setup, which is against the fundamental rights, which is against the fundamental duties, which is against the subjects or of his subjects. So, dear students, we can see the better consequences, the better outcomes of the democracy only when the fundamental rights are utilized in a proper manner by the subjects as well as the governors or the rulers. So, dear students, this was our today's topic. Let's go ahead tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you very much.